आई एम डॉक्टर बुशरा, फिज़िकल थेरापिस्ट। आज हम बात करेंगे sciatica पेन के बारे में। Sciatica is the pain in the lower extremity resulting from irritation of the sciatic nerve. The pain of the sciatica is typically felt from the lower back to behind the thigh and radiating down below the knee or may reach the foot. Disc herniation may occur in different levels of the lumbosacral vertebra, but the most common are L5 or S1. Spinal stenosis is a narrowing within the vertebra of the spinal column that results too much pressure on the spinal cord. The most common cause of spinal stenosis are related to aging process in the spine. Other causes include irritation of the nerve from adjacent bone, tumors, muscles, internal bleeding, infections, injury, and other causes. Sometimes sciatica can occur because of irritation of the sciatic nerve during pregnancy. Clinical pictures: pain. The most common symptom from sciatica, most common describe a deep, severe pain that starts low on one side of the back and then shoots down the buttocks and the legs with certain movements. In most people, the pain is made worse by sneezing, coughing, laughing, or a hard bowel movement. Bending backward can also make the pain worse. You may also notice a weakness of the leg or foot along with the pain. The weakness may become so bad patient can't move with his foot. Numbness, walking difficulty. Examination. The physical examination of sciatic patients should include observation, palpation, determination of range of motion of the spine, a root tension test, and evaluation of the neurological status of the lower limbs. Straight leg raising test. Stretching the L5 and S1 roots. This test is regarded positive if pain is aggravated when the affected leg. Testing of dorsiflexion, strength of the ankle and the big toe with weakness, suggesting mainly L5 dysfunction. Testing of ankle reflexes to evaluate S1 root dysfunction. Testing of light touch sensation in the medial L4, dorsal L5, lateral S1 aspects of the toe. Investigation. The most helpful investigation is MRI, and we can use CT scan, X-ray to see losing of normal lordosis. Treatment. If there is non-neuro defect, sciatica pain relief, pain is the best treated with a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as Brufen, codeine in acute cases, physiotherapy, muscle relaxant. Surgery. Some patients with sciatica may find significant relief from surgery. In case of herniated disc, a surgical procedure called a laminectomy may be performed. In this procedure, a portion of the posterior arch is removed to relieve pressure on pinched nerve tissues. In case of spinal stenosis, a portion of bone that is putting pressure on the sciatic nerve system can be removed. Corda equina syndrome is a serious neurological condition in which there is acute loss of function of lumbar plexus bilateral sciatica. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates of my videos.